Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this beautiful vase is by ALMA. So this is considered a wide mouth vase. It is stunning. So it's ceramic and it has these hand carved grooves all throughout it. So it looks really authentic, it looks handmade and really unique. The color is Ivory Coast. So it's these beautiful creams and browns combined together. I love the handmade look of this. It looks so nice just on its own, but of course you can put flowers in it, either fresh or artificial. I like artificial because I don't have to think about it and it'll last forever, but whatever you like. You can also put natural elements in here, grass, twigs. It's gonna look so good in this vase. Now it's completely matte, so there's no sheen to it except for the lip around the rim. And then the inside. So you can put water in this for your flowers and you'll be totally fine. It's 11 inches tall, so it stands at a really nice height, not too big, not too small, but you can switch this up for every season. It's a really nice element to have in your home just to move around every single room, and I'm sure you'll really like it, and that's my point of view.